the biggest takeaway for me was the need for the convergence between IT and OT to really make seamless business decisions for the internal customers, but also the need for vendors to have better participation in the vision for the future to really help industry get to where it needs to go.
All of our customer stories, whether they're using our software or other software as well too, it's really interesting to see how they're using it and where the technology is going from here.
It was great to see things that people are doing with technology, the way the market's changing, how people are adapting to different challenges that they're seeing in the marketplace right now.
What I found interesting was that everybody kind of is very open about talking about the challenges facing the industry as far as data and getting it to work together and kind of open source. So I think having that dialogue and looking for those solutions is probably the biggest takeaway that came from me.
It's a very good opportunity to meet and share about the best practices that we can find in the industry.
Open process automation is happening. It's going to create business value for all willing participants in this business ecosystem.
So I enjoyed coming here actually. This is my first time actually at the ARC. Been watching externally for a while now, YouTube videos and other information at ARC releases. And I'll also an opportunity through ARC to host an ISA 95 meeting, which we're going to do this afternoon, which will continue to be an important part of the architecture and framework for all smart manufacturing. So absolutely, enjoyed it very much.
There are large asset utilization or performance management efforts going on across all businesses. It was good to be able to see others that are going through the same thing I'm going through and be able to collaborate with them and share ideas. It's terrific, a real sense of community in the enterprise space.
The prospects for manufacturing are really bright. The industry is tackling some very big challenges in sustainability as well as digital transformation, and we have all the right vendors and customers working really diligently to solve those.
Digitalization being embraced more and more by end users, as well as OPAF, that is also being embraced more. I'm seeing more end users embrace that technology.
It was a fantastic experience. There were a lot of great folks that we were talking to. It was very insightful to see what people are thinking about in the future. There were a lot of opportunities that we saw, and I think it's going to be a very valuable experience, and looking forward to coming back next year.
A lot of great energy, a lot of great content, good networking opportunity. It's one event you don't want to miss.